Hello everybody and welcome to Algebra 1 with Mr. Chavez. So now what we're going to do is identify the key features of a parabola. And remember, the parabola is the graph of a quadratic function. Well, first thing we're going to notice is the parabola opens which way? Does it open upward or downward? Well, this one opens upward. So we're going to say upward. Now, second thing, since it opens up upward, as you can see, does this one have a maximum or a minimum? Remember, a maximum is up here. And if we see it continues going, that means it's going to go all the way into infinity. Now, we see at the bottom, it has a little curve. And this is going to be a minimum. So we're going to say it has a minimum of -1. So -1 would be the minimum. Now, axis of symmetry. Remember, when we're trying to get something symmetrical, you're trying to divide it down the middle, where the left side and the right side are both equivalent. In this case, if I want this parabola to be symmetrical, what I'm going to do is draw a line down the middle. So my left side could be identical to my right side. So my axis of symmetry would be, it crosses my x-axis at x equals 3. Now, let's go ahead and find the y-intercept. Remember, the y-intercept is where the graph intercepts the y-axis. So this one right here intercepts it right here. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's going to be 0, 7, or a y-intercept of 7. Two more things. Vertex. The vertex is the point of the parabola where the graph changes direction. So in this case, if I'm going from left to right, the graph is going down. So the vertex is going to be right here, because at this point, the graph, instead of going down, it starts going up. So my vertex is going to be 1, 2, 3, 3, comma, -1. Another thing you may notice is that your axis of symmetry crosses your vertex, and also your minimum is part of the vertex. Last thing we need to find, rocks. Remember, roots, 0, x-intercept, and solution. They all mean the same thing. So we're looking for where the graph intercepts the x-axis. So we have right here and right here. So my x-intercepts are going to be 2, 0, and 4, 0. Another way you can rewrite this is 2, 4. Now, today you learned how to identify key features from a graph. If you have any questions, please let me know.